Yo, so guys, welcome back to another video. This is a reaction to Mother Nature being chaotic for 9 minutes straight. I'm excited for this already, man. I love these nature related videos or these weather related videos. A few of the ones that I reacted to before have been taken down, which is a bit of a shame. Like the tornado ones, the hurricane ones, like just videos that I find interesting and people always seem to like find interesting in me watching them. But sadly I've had to take them down. But I don't think this one is. I've read the description and stuff, and it seems all like it's going to be alright. But yeah, hopefully going to enjoy. If you want more of these reactions, I'm definitely up for bringing these back because they are the most intriguing and just mind-blowing things that I watch. So I mean, yeah, that's that pretty much. Hopefully going to enjoy. Links are in the description to my Instagram, my Twitter for those who want to follow me. Same for my Patreon if you want extra reactions of mine. But let's just jump into this and see some of the things that nature can do. And already we're starting with what I think is a dust storm. And these are always mental, I mean, it looks like it's just like the end of the world. You know, like when there's end of the world films. Like, what's it called? 2012? There's just films that are about the end of the world, pretty much. And this is the sort of thing you see, man. It's pretty nuts.
Hello there, and welcome to the Unbelievable.
Obviously, this is a dust storm, so
Here
it's
is
different,
intense footage of an impending sandstorm in West Africa.
でもね、もう5分で来るよ。
It's moving quick too, man. You might want to get out of that. I guess you're not. You're just gonna experience it in person. Imagine that shit going into your eyes as well.
A storm is recorded wreaking havoc in Brisbane, Australia.
God damn. Shit. Is that going to cause a probably tsunami or whatever? Yeah, you might want to leave, lads.
Uh-oh. Ouch. Uh-oh. That will be alright.
God damn.
Here is very
I wouldn't
dramatic
risk that,
footage
man.
of the 8
I'm getting out.
magnitude earthquake in Nepal in 2015.
Beat it! Beat it! Are you okay?
Come out!
Fast! Quick!
Hey, down, come out. It's okay.
Okay.
Jeez. Flipping heck. Oh my days. Caught in a flipping avalanche. Oh my flipping god. Caught in an avalanche halfway up climbing up a mountain. What? That is ridiculous. Probably the best position they could be in though, right? Maybe. What is going? Is this just the gust of wind? Oh, it's rain. That is nuts. So that's like the ocean.
A train runs straight through a tornado, causing it to derail.
Holy shit. It's gonna crash into it. Oh my days. This is like my worst nightmare, man. Oh shitting hell.
A sandstorm appears out of nowhere.
Are you serious? It's just ending like that. Are you nuts? Look at this. Bro, nature is taking the piss out here. What is this, man? I hate this sort of stuff.
A sandstorm appears out of nowhere at the worst possible time.
Symbolize
Wow.
separate lives, separate families, and separate sets of friends.
Makes it a memory, right?
Report again.
I mean, it's always going to be a memory. It's your wedding, but
be.
makes it that extra special. God damn, that looks horrible, man.
I'm gonna make this. Congratulations, you may kiss the bride. Go, 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 go. Let's go.
Jesus.
This might be the most extreme lightning strike ever caught on video.
What the fuck? Are you serious? Where is this? Oh my days. Bro, this makes me cringe so bad, those Whirlpool ones, man. I actually hate them. Jeez.
Here we see the unbelievable height of the 2011 tsunami in Japan.
God damn, man. Hopefully these people are safe. Different, man. This makes me feel ill, bro. I hate looking at that sort of stuff. Oh, no way. The whole thing's gonna turn. What the hell? That is crazy. I hope it shows the end of it. Imagine being stuck in that when that happened.
Bus goers in Hong Kong are left stranded due to severe flash flooding.
Flip. What the hell? Just chilling in the same position. Oh man. Jeez, look at the size of that. Are they big Christmas trees? Oh, it's not over.
Here is footage of a dust storm turning a city into yellow darkness in Saudi Arabia.
Of course it's in Saudi Arabia, man. No way. Looks like it's from Fallout. Genuinely. It looks like it's from like the fallout of like a nuclear explosion. What the fuck? It's so weird how that happens, man. Is this just in like a playground?
CCTV captures the destruction of a tornado in Iowa.
What the fuck is happening here? Is this like a storm just going across the ocean? See, if you've seen the Life of Pi or whatever, is it Life of Pi? I watched it recently again. I watched it when I was younger, but I watched it again, and there's a scene like when the storm just approaches, and it actually looks just like this. I wasn't really thinking it would look like that, but I guess on the ocean it just looks different because you can see it crossing across or moving across the ocean, crossing across. Yeah, that's nuts, man. I mean, I guess these like sailors are so used to it. Is it sailor? Boat? Float or whatever you call it. Fuck me! Jesus Christ, that was loud. Fucking hell, that scared the shit out of me. That was so loud. Are you nuts? Let's turn the audio down a little bit. I want to see that again because I was too scared. That actually shut me up. Turn your volume down, I would say. Turn it down now. Jesus flipping hell. That scared the hell out of me.
large
Wow.
dust devil formed during Burning Man Festival in 2012.
What is Burning Man Festival again? I've heard of it. It's just a festival of people doing wild things, isn't it? Like, I don't even know what it is, but I just know about it. God damn, that is big.
Here it comes.
Oh, it's like is it like splitting off into two?
That's Central Arizona College down there, about to be engulfed.
That's a college. What the hell?
Ready. It's time to bail.
I don't need my sunglasses.
You're a bit close to this volcano.
Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time on The Unbelievable.
And they're just staying there watching it?
For watching, and
What?
I'll see you
Are you gonna leave me on this cliffhanger? What happened next here? What the fuck? 7:25 sound warning. I wish I saw this before because that was loud as hell. Yeah, this was actually mind blowing. Flipping heck. If you want more of these reactions, I'm always down to do them. Just suggest some videos out there that you think I can watch because again, I'm trying to be careful with that sort of stuff. But yeah, this was next level, man. I think I've seen none of these clips before, so it was actually like for the first time reacting to most of these. And yeah, it's quite rare you have that because usually like these channels sort of use the same similar clips with a few others added on. But this is stuff that I've literally never seen. And mate, it was crazy. So yeah, give this video a like the actual video that I reacted to a like through the link in the description. It's always good to just support the videos that I'm reacting to. But yeah, until next time, like, subscribe, peace.